significance of the Thai culture is during the Buddha's time, about 2000 years back, 3,000 years back, Buddha's followers created a big revolution in Thai, and there is a lot of adoption of the Buddhist culture in Thailand. Very loving people, and there's so many temples everywhere. Very beautiful temples, I must admit that. And Thailand is like heaven for expat community. We can see many people from the European countries staying here and enjoying their retirement life. Big factories everywhere. This is a cement factory. Cement and paint. Thailand has grown significantly in the last 10 years, and we can see that in every corner of the country. But the thing is, they haven't forgotten their religious roots, their cultural roots. And yeah, the best thing is that the food is delicious. I think most people do enjoy it, but me being a vegetarian, it's not that easy to find great suitable food for me. Catch you